This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given either a 6x7 or a 7x6 matrix as input. So in this case we are given a 6x7 matrix as input. So this matrix represents a month in the calendar. So it has the characters like asterisk and the numbers like 1, 2, 3, and it also has the characters like hash. So each and every character represents a particular thing. For example, the character asterisk represents a empty space in the calendar, and this 1, 2, 3 represents the day in the month, and this hash symbol represents the holidays in the month. So our task is actually to print the holidays day as well as the name of the day. So in this particular given calendar month we have around 4 hash. So we have to print the 4 holiday dates as our output. So in the given input matrix, let us start checking for the holidays row wise. So in the first row we don't have any hash symbol, and in the second row also we don't have any hash symbol. So in the third row, the third string is actually a hash. So the first day is 13 and the second day is 14 and the third day will be 15. So this 15 is a holiday, and it is also given in the question that the day names are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so like that. So this is the third day, it is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So the first holiday occurs on the 15th and the day name is Tuesday. So in our output we can see that first we are printing 15 and then Tuesday, and then we are moving to the next row. So in the next row the last string is a asterisk. So the previous day is 25, so this day will be 26, and the name is nothing but Saturday because we are starting from Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we are printing 26 Saturday. Similarly, the next 2 days are also holidays. So the dates are 27 Sunday and 28 Monday. So these 2 days are also holidays. So we are printing those 2 days also. And after this we don't have any hash symbol. So these are all the available holidays in the given calendar month. So all the remaining asterisks are the empty spaces, so we need not consider them. So this is how we will be finding the holidays in the given calendar month. Since it is a 6x7 matrix, we will be iterating row wise. So let us see our sample input 2. So in this case we are given a 7x6 matrix as input. So whenever we are given a 7x6 matrix, the days are column wise. So here we can see that we are starting from column. So first column from top to bottom. So 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5. So the days are present like this. So this is how this particular calendar is being printed. So here also again the asterisk represents the empty spaces and the hash symbol represents the holidays. So we have to print the date of the holidays. So we will be iterating column wise. So that is the only difference. So the first day itself a holiday. So again the day name also starts from Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So this day 1 is a Friday. So in our output I am printing 1 and then Friday. Similarly we have to move to the next column. So we don't have any asterisks, and in the third column we have asterisks. So the date is 14, 15 and 16. Similarly the days are Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I am printing 14 Thursday, 15 Friday and 16 Saturday. And in the fourth column we don't have any hash symbol, and in the fifth column we have the hash symbol. So the day is 26 and it is Tuesday. So we are printing 26 Tuesday. So this is how we are printing our output. So now suppose if we don't have any hash symbol, then this is how the matrix will be looking like. So I am removing all the hash symbol and I am replacing it with the days. So if our input is like this, then this particular calendar month doesn't have any holidays. So in those cases our output will be empty. So whenever our output is empty, we should not leave it as empty. We have to print -1. So these are the conditions given in the question. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I'm creating a function named print day name. So this function will print the name of the particular day. So it will accept the day in the arguments. For example, if the day is 1, then the first day in the week is Sunday. So it will be printing Sunday in the output. If day is 2, then it will be printing Monday because that is the second day name. So I'm creating a array with all the day names, Sunday, Monday till Saturday, and we know the day. So using a printf statement, we can directly print the day name. So this is the function print day name. So now let us start with our main function. So in the main function, first I am creating a character array named days. So it is a two-dimensional character array of size 50 cross 50, and at every index we can store up to 5 characters. So we will be storing our input into this two-dimensional character array. And I am also creating another temporary character array named row and some integer variables k and l, and I am initially setting it to 0. So now we are going to accept our input line by line. So we will accept the first line as a complete string as input. So I am creating a while loop and I am putting the scanf statement into it because we don't know whether it is a 6 cross 7 or a 7 cross 6. So using a while loop, we are accepting our input. So this is how we will be accepting a space separated string as an input. So within the scanf, first we have to give percentage, and within the square brackets we have to give power and then /n. So we are accepting a space separated string and we are storing it into the character array named row. Now we will be iterating through every space separated string present in this row and we will store it into the character array named days. So to perform that, we will make use of the strtok function. So first I am setting character star token is equal to strtok of row comma space, because we have to split the strings based upon space. So the second argument is space. And then we have to create a while loop that iterates until the token becomes equal to null. So in every iteration we should also set the token is equal to strtok of null comma a empty space. So this is the syntax for iterating using a strtok function. So in every iteration of this while loop, the tok is nothing but the string which is separated by a space. So we have to copy that content into the character array named days. So using the strcpy function, we will copy this token into the days character array at the index k l. So after storing a particular, we have to move to the next column. So that is why I am implementing l++. And finally, after the execution of this while loop, we will move to the next row. So I am incrementing the k value, so k++, and we should start storing from the 0th column. So l is equal to 0. So this is how we will be accepting our input and we will store it into the days array in every iteration of this while loop. So after this, we would have completely accepted our input. And now there are two possibilities. Either it can be a 6 cross 7 matrix or it can be a 7 cross 6 matrix. So the k represents the row and l represents the column. So if k is equal to 6, then it is a 6 cross 7 matrix. So in a 6 cross 7 matrix, we will be iterating row wise. So this is what we will be doing if it is a 6 cross 7 matrix. So first I am creating a variable named date and I am setting it to 0, and then we are creating a nested loop. So this nested loop will iterate through the days matrix row wise. So the number of rows is equal to 6 and the number of columns is equal to 7. So the I loop iterates from 0 to I less than 6 and the j loop iterates from 0 till j less than 7. And in every iteration of this I loop, we are creating a day and I am setting it to 1 because there will be 7 days in each and every row. So within this j loop, we will be implementing our logic. So first we have to increment day. So I am setting day++. And then there are three possibilities. Either it can be a number which represents the date, or it can be a asterisk, or it can be a hash symbol. So if it is a asterisk, then it means it is a empty space. So only when the character is not equal to asterisk, it is a valid date. So only in those cases we are incrementing the value of date. So here I am checking whether the character at the index ij, 0th index, it is a asterisk or not. So only when it is not equal to asterisk, we are incrementing the date, because asterisk is an empty space. And similarly, if it is a hash symbol, then it is a holiday. So for holiday also we are not given the date, so we should only find it. So in order to find that only we are creating this variable named date. So whenever the character is equal to a hash, then it is a holiday. So when it is hash, we would have already determined the date. So using a printf statement, I'm printing the date, and we also have to print the date name. So we also have a method for that, and we know what day it is. So using that, we will print the day name also, and after printing the date and day name, we have to print a new line. So I'm printing a /n. So this is how we will be printing the dates. So finally, after the execution of this nested loop, all the holidays would have been printed. So this is how we will be printing the holidays if the input matrix is a 6x7 matrix. Suppose if it is a 7x6 matrix, then the dates will be given column wise. So in those cases, we will come to this else part, and in the else part we have to define a logic for that. So here also the logic will be most similarly same. The only difference is, instead of iterating row wise, we will be iterating column wise. So the j loop will be outer and the I loop will be inner, and the j loop will be iterating from 0 to 6 and the I loop will be iterating from 0 to 7, and similarly all the contents inside will be same. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.